Hi everyone, and today I am going to be talking about a skincare line from Farmasi called the Calendula oil line, and it's for dry to sensitive skin. I have 3 of the products in the product line. There are 4, I believe. Let's see, there's 1, 2. Yeah, there's 4 in there, but I have 3 of the 4 for the skincare line of the Calendula. There's the face wash, which I love. I used this last night this morning and I love it. The face tonic and the deep hydration dry and sensitive skin Calendula skincare cream or face cream. I love that stuff. If you have dry skin or sensitive skin, this is the line for you. And I'm going to talk a little bit about it. The face wash, it's enriched with Calendula oil. It deeply cleanses away dirt, oil, and impurities and makeup, and it purifies skin without over drying. That's the face wash right here. This guy right here. The smell is like very mild. I smell a little bit of like a chamomile kind of smell, if I had to like peg something to that smell. And it's very relaxing, and when you're washing your face with it, you have like a very relaxing feeling of washing your face with that. And it does not sting your skin or irritate your skin at all. It's very gentle and mild on the skin. Okay, the next step in this skincare line is the face tonic, Calendula. That word I have a hard time pronouncing. I don't know why. Face tonic, and what this does is it removes excess residue and impurities. And thanks to the Calendula oil, it hydrates skin to support its natural moisture balance, and it's alcohol free. So that's the Calendula oil face tonic. The next step of the process is the face deep hydration face cream. And I love this stuff so much. Like, it's just so hydrating, and it feels so good on the skin. So what this does is it contains natural Calendula, providing excellent care to your skin. It prevents it from drying out, and it's enriched. It's an enriched formula that moisturizes your skin, and it has a Calendula scent that gives you great pleasure. And it's a 1.7 fluor ounce for this guy here. I'm going to just smell it. It smells like, you know, it has a light chamomile scent, and I got a little on my nose. Now I smell it better. Got it on my nose. Gotta love that, right guys? Okay, so anywho, the one product that I am missing that's out of this line is the cream, Calendula cream balsam. How do we say that? And that is right here. And all of these products are drugstore prices for really high quality products that are really great. They're not tested on animals. I'm trying to see here. For the face wash, it's $12.90, and you get 7.6 fluor ounces for the face wash. For the face tonic, it is also $12.90, and you also get 7.6 fluor ounces of this guy. And for the deep hydration cream, it is only $7.90 for this guy, and it's a 1.7 ounce, and you only have to use a little bit, so this will last you a long time. All of these are going to last you a long time because you don't have to use that much. With the face tonic, I like to use a cotton round and just wet this on the cotton round and then apply it to my face. So I am in love with this line, and if you have dry or sensitive skin, this is the line for you. It is amazing, and I highly recommend it. Okay, so if you're interested in this product, you can check it out on my website. I'll link that below. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments for me. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, everybody.